How to make ghosts. It's simple. A bag with a ghost face on it. No pillow. Take. What? There's no bag. You take your old batting. I cut a hole in the pillow and stuff it. So I'm going to spend most of my weekend making props, and hopefully start filming this, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, or this weekend. I'll start over. Anyway, I'm going to spend the rest of Saturday, which is today, making props and finishing my script. And cut this part of it out so people don't see the writing. I don't like that on there. Okay. This time I'm going to make a couple little ones. Maybe 3 little ones. Yeah. The thing I don't like about these is they got squares. I can fix that. They look more like evil little ghosts than ghosts. I guess ghosts are evil, aren't they? No, some ghosts are nice. These look like mean little ghosts.
Ghosts are depressed. They don't go do, they go, because they're depressed. You know how they moan?
Why you do that?
When you moan, when you're depressed or shy, that's them.
Big Bertha don't do that though. She's weird though.
She's not depressed. She's a dum-dum.
She is not.
She is too.
She is not dumb. She's pretty smart. Isn't she, Susie? Susie, you think Big Bertha's smart? You do?